Hi everyone! This video is a step-by-step how to make perfect anko, which is an important ingredient for wagashi, Japanese sweet. That's what you need. 100 grams of azuki beans. Remove the chipped azuki beans. Wash azuki beans with warm water. Azuki doesn't like cold water. Strain the azuki beans. Bring 500 ml of water to the boil. Add the azuki beans. Then turn heat to between mid and low. Cook the beans until soft and you see the beans start to swell. Strain the beans. Again, bring 500 ml of water to the boil. Add the beans. Then turn the heat to between mid and low. If scum appear on the surface, please remove it. Cook until the beans are soft and you can easily crush them with your finger. Add 100 grams of sugar. Turn the heat to between mid and low. Stir all the time. Cook until the beans feel heavy or moisture is gone. Finally, put the anko onto a tray to cool down. In my next video, I'll show you how to make daifuku using the anko you made. Thank you for watching. See you next time.